Welcome to 2990 Southwest Forest Avenue, located in Redmond, Oregon and Meadowbrook Estates. This 1316 square foot home is 3 beds, 2 baths, built in 1978, but fully renovated top to bottom with newer paint outside, newer roof. Landscaping's in great shape. There's RV parking on both sides, a circular drive. Where those vehicles are parked there is additional parking on the side, the Dodge pickup and the Jeep. With a lot size of 0.46, lots of flexibility. Good privacy. Good neighborhood, good location, great layout. And turnkey ready to go. Now inside the front door, looking through the great room area. The breakfast nook. With a great view out. Luxury vinyl plank throughout. Granite counters, under cabinet lighting. All the appliances come with the home. Coat closet by the entry. The slider out onto the back deck and backyard. Very spacious and well thought out great room area. Moving through the hallway past the guest bedrooms and back to the primary. Very comfortably fits a king bed. Window treatments in place, those stay. Those bifold doors have a well-organized and spacious closet. And then back to the bathroom with the granite counters, undermount sink, and a fiberglass shower. One of the 2 guest bedrooms. Both are nearly equal in size. Have a great view out onto the backyard. Have blinds. This luxury vinyl plank continues throughout the entire living space. There's no carpet in the house. And the guest bathroom with shower, the granite vanity, and it also contains the washer and dryer. Just a fantastic single level layout in perfect turnkey condition with all the appliances included, everything ready to go. Standing on the back deck on the 0.46 acre lot, the backyard is expansive. That is the heat pump for the central forced air system that's all electric. Underneath that fire pit right there is the septic tank. This is on a septic system, and the drain field is out in the yard area. Lots of gravel. Really good access to the back here through RV gates. Powder-coated metal gate there and fence. Great for longevity. The paint is all in beautiful shape. The roof is newer on the house and the shop. The shop is 720 square feet, has an RV door, and it's fully insulated and heated with a 220 electric heater. And there's also a separately insulated and finished area in the back I'll show you that's kind of a hobby area. Fully fenced, great for pets. This is a southern exposed backyard too, so you get lots of great light out here. Another gate on the side there. So you have a circular pull through. You don't have to back up with trailers. You can pull through, put them in position. All of that done with ease. There's a raised bed there. Just an awesome space. Lots of room for all of your trailers, extra vehicles, and toys. And a really beautiful space for enjoying the Central Oregon outdoors. Moving into the shop. Built-in workbench here that'll stay with. That is the 220 heater for this space. It's fully insulated. The taller RV door there. And back into the hobby space. Just an awesome workshop. Can be used as a garage if you like. Lots of uses, lots of flexibility.